Retired travel agent's decomposing body found in her St. Andrew home. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The decomposing body of a senior citizen was found inside her home in St. Andrew Central Police Division on Friday. The deceased has been identified as 83-year-old Janet Yvonne Cook, a retired travel agent of Hope Boulevard, Kingston 6. It's reported that the police were summoned to the house around 5 p.m. and upon their arrival discovered her body inside. The body was removed to the morgue pending post-mortem examination. The Matilda's Corner police are investigating. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.